back of every dollar bill?
Eagle.
Eagle. What kind of eagle?
A bald eagle.
A bald eagle. Okay, that's pretty good. Did you know you're a bird expert? Okay. Okay, here's another hard bird question. You think you know it all. What kind of bird is real small and beats its wings really fast?
Honeybird.
Uh-huh. That's right. Hummingbird. Okay. What kind of bird? What kind of bird makes this sound?
Turkey.
And what kind of bird makes this sound?
I know it. You're making some.
We don't have those very many. Those kind of birds. We don't have them here.
No.
You know what kind of bird that is?
You're making something with grass.
No. That would be. That's like a hawk, huh? Okay. What kind of bird makes this sound? Quack, 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 quack.
Duck.